The more time you spend alone with yourself, the more time that you will be able to understand who you are. When I mean understand who you are, I'm talking about without any outside interference, without any friends, without any peer pressure of wanting to be like someone else. It's not about the shoes. It's about knowing where you're going, not forgetting where you started. It's about having the courage to fail, not breaking when you're broken, taking everything you've been given and making something better. It's about work and what's inside of you. It's doing what they say you can't. Being who you were born to be. I could have done better in some areas, but I know I still kept going, you know? I didn't put my head down. I had days where it was like, damn, you know, but I got to keep going. And that's the whole mentality that you always need to have. That's how you be. That's how you're diligent. You're determined. You persevere. Persevere. That's has to be a part of your DNA to be successful. You got to learn to shut your feelings off if you want to achieve greatness. And greatness is only achieved when your feelings about that kind of, I'm talking about the grind. Dang grind. Your feelings have to go away. You have to suffer. You have to make that a tattoo on your brain so when that hard time comes, again, you don't forget it. I'd say one of the strongest mental frames that has gotten me through my hardest times is thinking this will be the story that I will one day tell. And that means the harder it is, the bigger the dragon, the more epic the story. And by consequence, the more epic the hero. Winners define themselves by what they made happen. And losers define themselves by what happened to them. Starts right now. And if you're not doing the now, don't ever respect the later to be the person you want to look. In the mirror, everyone's like, oh, later in life I want to do this. Later in life,